In this section, we want to learn about absolute value equation. Before we start it, let's talk about what absolute values are. Absolute value of a number is a distance between 0 and that number. This is a number line. Here is 0. We want to consider the absolute value of 2. This is not 121. This is absolute value of 2. Then that's 2. Why? The distance between 0 and that number is 2. We can say something similar when we consider absolute value of minus 2. When we locate minus 2, that's left of 0. But when we consider the distance between 0 and minus 2, the distance is still 2. So absolute value of negative 2 is 2. And absolute value of 0 equals 0. Whatever the numbers are, if we just drop the sign, then we will get the absolute value of that number. This time, we want to consider the absolute value equation. The unknown number, x, is in the absolute value sign. These small vertical lines means absolute value sign. When we say absolute value of x equals a, that means the distance between 0 and that unknown number is a. So a is greater than or equal to 0 if this equation has a solution. As I said, if positive a is a solution, then negative a is also a solution because both are in the same distance from 0. But when we solve the equation, if we have to consider the absolute value of x is something less than 0, then there is no hope because we have to think about the distance between 0 and that number, and distance is always positive or 0. Let's consider the problem. If we have a problem, such as absolute value of x equals 3, then the solution will be 3 or negative 3. So this looks like a linear equation, but we have two solutions. Let's solve problems. In the first question, we have an equation. Absolute value of a is less negative 9. Then negative 9 is less than 0. I said absolute value must be greater than or equal to 0. So there is no solution. Let's do number 2. Number 2 is absolute value of 4v minus 12 equals 16. We have two possibilities. 4v minus 12 equals 16, or 4v minus 12 equals minus 16. So we have two possibilities. We have to solve two equations. To eliminate 12 on the left side, we add 12 on both sides. Then negative 12 and 12 will cancel each other, and we have 4v equals 28. Then we divide by 4 on both sides. Then 28 is 4 times 7, and this 4 and this 4 will cancel each other. And we have v equals 7. On the right side, the equation is 4v minus 12 equals minus 16. To eliminate minus 12, we add 12 on both sides. Then left side will remain with 4v, and right side will be minus 4. And we divide by 4 on both sides, then v equals minus 1. So we have two solutions for this. In number 3, we have absolute value of y plus 8 minus 14 equals minus 14. We want to eliminate this minus 14 from the left side. To do that, we add 14 on both sides. Then left side will be absolute value of y plus 8, and that is 0. Plus 0 is 0, minus 0 is 0, so we have only one possibility. That's y plus 8 equals 0. So by subtracting 8 on both sides, we get y equals minus 8. To verify, you can plug in, then minus absolute value of minus 8 plus 8 minus 14 equals minus 14. So what it says is this absolute value part was indeed 0 after we get the solution, and we have negative 14 equals negative 14, which is true. So this answer is correct. Let's do problem number 4. The problem is absolute value of 4w plus 4 minus 48 equals minus 8. To eliminate minus 48 on the left side, we add 48 on both sides. Then we get absolute value of 4w plus 4 equals 40. We have two possibilities. What's the inside of absolute value sign? 4w plus 4 equals 40, or 4w plus 4 equals minus 40. Let's solve both problems. We subtract 4 on both sides. Then we have 4w equals 36. Then we have to remove 4 in front of w, so we divide by 4 on both sides. Then that'll be w equals 9, because 36 is 4 times 9. The two will cancel each other. Let's solve the equation. 4w plus 4 equals minus 40. We subtract 4 on both sides. Then we have 4w on the left side, and we have 4 negative 44 on the right side. We divide by 4 on both sides. Then the numerator is 4 times 11. Negative 4 times 11. This 4 and 4 cancel each other. So left side is W and right side is negative 11. So we have two solutions, 9 and negative 11. If you're not sure about correctness, then you can directly plug in 9 in the original equation and negative 11 in the original equation and go through the calculation and verify whether the statement, this equality with those numbers are the same or not.